Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to today's lesson on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, as you can see, this is going to be a very interesting conversation that you're going to have when you show your picture to somebody. It's like, what is that? That's a zombie coffee that you're actually going to be drawing right now. Well, I'm not a coffee drinker. I'm more of a hot chocolate drinker myself. So, if you're ready to do this lesson and you have a pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.